Hazrat Abdullah bin Masud radiyallahu anhu states that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam was in prostration, whereas some people of the Quraysh had engulfed him. All of a sudden, Uqba bin Abi Mu'ayt fetched the tripe of a she camel and threw it on the back of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam did not raise his head from the prostration. Hazrat Fatima radiyallahu anha then came, lifted that tribe from his back and made an invocation against him who did so. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam also made invocation against them, saying, O Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, seize this group of the Quraysh: Abu Jahl bin Hisham, Utbah bin Rabi'a, Uqba bin Abi Mu'ayt, Shayba bin Rabi'a, and Umayyah bin Khalaf, or Ubay bin Khalaf. Shawba has doubt in it. Hazrat ibn Masud radiyallahu anhu says, I saw that all of them were killed on the day of Ghazwa Badr, and they were flung into the well of the Badr valley, saves Umayyah bin Khalaf or Ubayyah bin Khalaf, because his joints got rent asunder, so he could not be thrown into the well. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 4626.